Hey everyone, I'm over here at LeSword Chrysler Products in Sodus, New York, looking at a brand new 2015 Chrysler Town & Country in a Jeep Cherry Red with a pearl coat on it. It's really beautiful looking. Touring L trim, you've got a backup camera on there. If you look at your key here, there is a button to open the power lift gate. You just press it 2 times. Stow and go seating, which means all the seats, well, the second and third row seats folds flat into the floor. Gives you tons and tons of room. Otherwise, you've got extra deep spaces here in the floor. Let's head over to the side. If you look at your key again, there is a button to open the power lift gates, or the power sliding doors as well. Off to the right here, you've got all the plugins you would need for the kids. Lots of little storage cubbies in the back for the third row. Rear temperature controls. There's your drop-down TV remote. Head over to the front. You've got power windows, power locks, voice recognition, menu controls, cruise control, and media center controls. It's also a push to start. So all those controls I was just telling you about are right on your steering wheel. This is what your dash looks like. AM, FM, satellite radio, CD player, DVD player, navigation, USB, auxiliary ports, and you can store files all right on your media center, touchscreen. You've got the classic Chrysler clock right there, dual temperature control zones, and it's digital. You've also got heated seats and heated steering wheel. Lots of little storage spaces, 2 12-volt chargers down here. Even more space here. You've got 4 cup holders that slide back for the second row of storage under there. And then it slides back again. So come on down to 49 West Main Street in Sodus, New York, and test drive this Town & Country today. We're there at LeSword.com, Facebook, and Twitter to answer any questions you may have about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope to see you soon.